Hey everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my Country Charm by Tracy channel. I love to share crafty ideas like this. And guys, I just created this today. And so I am so excited to get it uploaded to YouTube to share it with all of you, because if you love primitive country, rustic, farmhouse, whatever, you're going to like this, okay? The tree itself, I had painted this. It's just a paper mache box, and I had painted it several years ago when I have love, hope, simplify, and faith. And when me and my husband decided that, we weren't going to do craft shows anymore, I had lots of stuff that I had started, and I said, one day I'm going to get back to it. This is one of the projects I was going to get back to, and it turned out even better than if I would have done it a long time ago. Spencer is 12, so we probably stopped doing the craft shows probably around 12 years ago. Anyway, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to show y'all this. It just has all kind of farmhouse rustic goodness, okay? I know I look a hot mess, but I was so excited to come and share with y'all this primitive country, rustic farmhouse, whatever you want to call it, tree. Here is my tree. This is as far as I got with it several years ago. So for the box, it is a paper mache box that I painted with letters, faith, hope, love, and simplify. To make the tree fuller, I'm using some of these pine ties that I got from the Dollar Tree, and just put those in the tree. I know you can't see it here in the picture, but yeah, it's much fuller. And then I like to use this very fine Excelsior. I get this over in the craft store. I love to put it in between my tree. It just really acts as a filler. It also has a rustic touch to it. What I decided to do is I wanted to do a little bit of flocking to my tree, so I added some white paint. And so here is just a picture of how the little tree looks after I have added some paint to the little branches. I love to add berries and pit berries to my trees, so here I am adding some berries. I have these burgundy berries that I had in my stash, and I am pretty sure I got those over at Hobby Lobby. For the pit berries, I just unravel them how they come. They come twisted on a little garland. I just untwist them, and then I glue them into my tree just like this. I'm adding additional pine into my tree for more texture. And then I absolutely love these burlap twisty curly Q things that I picked up at Walmart early in the season, probably in September. And I just took them apart, and I'm going to glue those into the tree as well. Do these scream rustic or what? This ribbon is burlap, and it has the black and white buffalo check on the ends. I decided to wrap that around my tree, just tucking it in around the pine here and there, and just kind of just draping it around my tree. This ribbon I did get from Hobby Lobby, and it is so cute. I cannot wait to get more of this. I just made some little bows, and I cut them at 6 inches, so I'm kind of showing you that here. And then I just tied them onto branches just sporadically throughout the tree. and I just think it just ties everything in, all the burlap, all the berries, and it just makes me so happy just looking at it. I just want to display it all year long. I love rusty jingle bells, and when Hobby Lobby had these several years ago, I bought, I think, every pack of them. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, but I love them so much. I wish they would bring them back. If anyone has seen those, I've seen the larger ones, but I haven't seen the small ones like this. Anyway, so what I do is I just tie them onto my tree with some wire, and my favorite place to get that wire is at Dollar Tree in the automotive section. And so then here I'm just kind of showing you how I just tie them onto a branch, and it just makes my little primitive country tree just so pretty. If you like this project, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. I love to share little country crafts like this. A farmhouse tree would not be complete without adding some cotton balls. I love to get these over at Hobby Lobby. Dollar Tree also has them if you are fortunate enough to grab some. I just love the way that it just ties everything in together. I love this little tree so much. I may add some lights to it, you know, some of the little fairy lights, or just some lights. I always add my lights in last. That way that the hot glue doesn't you know, burn the cord. And then also, if your lights burn out or you don't want them anymore, you can just take them off. Anyway, I added a raffia bow. I do understand that raffia is not everybody's cup of tea, but I love adding raffia to my projects. Anyway, thank you all for watching, for your continued support, for your friendship. It means so much to me reading all of your sweet, sweet, sweet comments. And you all have a great day, and God bless.